Lalu Yadav, who's appeared at the Delhi court. This is with the land for jobs scam that he's facing as the Union Railways Minister between 2004 to 2009. These are the live visuals coming in of Lalu Yadav in the vehicle there. Misa Bharti, his eldest daughter there, we can also be seen seated next to him in that vehicle. Remember, Lalu Yadav had recently undergone kidney operation as well, and now his daughter heading to a Delhi court. Charges are likely to be framed in the case. Remember, when 2004 to 2009 he was the Union Minister for Railways, the allegation in the charge sheet by the CBI is that in turn for jobs that he had given to some men, it was in return land parcels that Lalu Yadav's family were given. Basically, that there were these land parcels that were named and transferred to either the family members or the close associates of the Yadav family. And this has now come as an old ghost to haunt Lalu Yadav at this time, when he, his wife, his daughter's residence have been raided by the agencies, and now they are facing these direct charges. The scam is very serious. Allegations of giving away job opportunities not by fair merit, but in turn for land parcels. Remember,
बड़ी खबर इस वक्त लालू यादव के परिवार से। देखिए, बड़ी खबर, लैंड फॉर जॉब स्कैम मामले में आज राउज एवेन्यू कोर्ट में पेशी है और इस वक्त आप देख सकते हैं लालू यादव खुद जा रहे हैं। लालू यादव, मीसा भारती इस वक्त और राबड़ी देवी, तीनों ही परिवार के मेंबर्स जा रहे हैं लैंड फॉर जॉब स्कैम में। बड़ी खबर इस वक्त ये है कि लालू यादव के अपीयरेंस को लेकर कई सारे सवाल थे कि क्या वो आज जाएंगे नहीं, कोर्ट में जाएंगे या नहीं, फिजिकल पेशी होगी कि नहीं। मीसा भारती है यहाँ पे,
पेशी हुई है अदालत में। कुल 16 नामजद लोग हैं।
वक्त की बड़ी मूवमेंट है ये। परिवार के तीनों लोग निकल रहे हैं और कोर्ट जा रहे हैं और सबसे बड़ा सवाल यही था कि क्या खुद लालू यादव कोर्ट में आज पेश होंगे या नहीं, क्योंकि उनकी तबीयत को लेकर कई सारे सवाल थे। इससे पहले जब इन्वेस्टिगेटिव एजेंसीज के कई सारे अधिकारी आए थे जांच के लिए, तो उस वक्त बताया गया था, एक पूरा प्रोटोकॉल मेंटेन किया गया था। लेकिन अब इस वक्त जो तस्वीरें राष्ट्रीय राजधानी दिल्ली से आ रही हैं कि लालू यादव खुद गाड़ी की अगली सीट पे बैठकर कोर्ट जा रहे हैं, राउज एवेन्यू कोर्ट जा रहे हैं। लालू जी एक सवाल कुछ कहेंगे? लालू जी मैम तो इस वक्त बड़ी तस्वीरें दिल्ली से, जहां लालू यादव खुद राउज एवेन्यू कोर्ट के लिए निकल गए हैं। लालू यादव गाड़ी की फ्रंट सीट पे बैठे हुए हैं। बिहार की पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री राबड़ी देवी पीछे बैठी हैं मीसा भारती के साथ। बहुत बड़ा सवाल लगातार बना हुआ था कि क्या लालू यादव खुद लैंड फॉर जॉब स्कैम में कोर्ट के सामने पेश होंगे कि नहीं। लालू यादव अक्यूज नंबर 1 है इस चार्जशीट में।
So that is my colleague Amit Bhardwaj sending us the ground report when Lalu Yadav and his daughter were seen accompanying him, and all three of them, Rabri Devi, Lalu Yadav and Misa Bharti, will have to appear at the Delhi court. But what is this case about? Let's go across to Anisha Mathur, who's tracking the court details. Anisha, what are we expecting today? What kind of charges are we looking at to be framed? And does this mean trouble for Lalu Yadav today?
Well, Pooja, definitely this does mean trouble for Lalu Yadav. Remember, Lalu Yadav, Rabri Devi and Misa Bharti have been summoned to the Rouse Avenue court after the court took cognizance of the charge sheet that was filed against them in this particular case. Now, what the agencies have said very clearly in this matter is that all of them are facing charges of under the Anti-Corruption Act, where the charge really is that, and I believe they're here now. If you can, are they here? They will be reaching here in this Rouse Avenue court. I can show you the live visuals here, right here. If you can see in my camera here, Pooja, they are here. Lalu Yadav, Rabri Devi, and Misa Bharti are all here. You can see live visuals right here. Ma'am, kuch kahenge? लालू जी कुछ कहेंगे? एक सेकंड सर, लालू जी कुछ कहेंगे मैडम? मैम कुछ कहेंगे? जी 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 पीछे हो जाओ, पीछे हो जाओ, पीछे हो जाइए, पीछे। Lalu Prasad Yadav, Rabri Devi and Misa Bharti are here in the Rouse Avenue court, and you can see this right here. They're being taken to court. जी मैम जा रहे हैं, and we'll be showing you of all three now appearing in the Rouse Avenue court. They will be taken inside the courtroom of Judge Gitanjali Goyal. Lalu Prasad Yadav in a wheelchair being taken inside the court. And very clearly, this is going to be the hearing where all the accused, all 16 accused, have to come to the court. They have to accept the charges that are against them. The cognizance of the charge sheet, of course, has been taken, and further proceedings in the case like this happens where once the accused come in, they are given the a copy of the charge sheet. They're given, they're informed about the matter that is against them. They're informed about the charges against them, and then the further proceeding regarding the framing of charges can begin. But today, of course, all accused will be appearing before the courtroom of Judge Gitanjali Goyal. They will be asked to see the charge sheet. They will then be scrutinizing if whether or not their lawyers have been given all the documentation relating to the particular charge sheet, and then will come the process of framing of charges. And at this moment, I can inform you, Pooja, that media has been kept outside of the courtroom. The courtroom door has been closed. We are not being allowed, media persons are not being allowed to go inside. So very shortly, we'll try and get you updates.
Nisha, tell us, when all of them came inside the court, you managed to get in at least some words. Did they say anything at all? Completely silent right now. And you said Lalu Prasad Yadav coming in a wheelchair.
Well, yes, Pooja, Lalu Prasad Yadav has come here in a wheelchair. All three of them have been completely silent. Rabri Devi, of course, simply saying, asking all media persons to move aside and not try to disturb them, not speak to them. And right this moment, media has been moved away from the court gate, courtroom door as such, since the judge has arrived and the proceedings have begun. That I can tell you that the judge has arrived, proceedings have begun, but we have been asked to stay outside of the courtroom for now.